Alam mo ba, minsan hindi bala ang pumapatay sa tao, kundi mga salita. Sabi sa Bible, the tongue has the power of life and death. Proverbs chapter 18 verse 21. Isang salita lang pwedeng magpagaling o pwedeng makasira ng buhay. Kung may sasabihin kang criticism, gawin mo in private. Hindi lahat ng totoo kailangang ipangalandakan sa mundo. Pero kung totoo man yung sinasabi sa iyo at nasaktan ka, baka tinuturuan ka lang ni God, do something about it. Take it constructively. At kung puri naman, praise in public, pero gawin mo para kay God, hindi para sa tao. Kasi at the end of the day, ang goal natin ay hindi likes, hindi fame, kundi to live for God. Tandaan mo to, your thoughts become your words become your actions become your habits, and your habits become your destiny. So choose kindness. Speak life, not death, because one word can change a life forever.